I'm throwing out some chicken breasts. These are the jumbo chicken breasts. Yeah. So I got an idea going on in this little head of mine. Take some chicken breasts and stuff it with ham. This is still kind of frozen, so I gotta wait for it to thaw out. I would preheat it, but it doesn't work out the way I want it. And I'm still pondering, do I want to put this in the air fryer or do I want to put it in the oven? Either which way, it's gonna get stuffed with ham. So do you want to, technically, can I consider this a hybrid dish? I guess I could, because it's two different animals being put together. So we're gonna find out what this tastes like. So I gotta wait till this asking. It's still hard. That deep freezer of mine freezes everything to like instant concrete, and it literally takes hours. This has already been sitting out hours, and it's still hard to break. I mean, it's starting to loose up a little bit. So once this is thawing out, I'm probably gonna put it in some warm water to help speed up the process. I'm going to go ahead and get this ready. I'm gonna saute it on a pan. Trying to ponder. I got the taste of onions that need to be in this for some reason. Don't know why. But we're going to stuff these jokers with some ham and some cheese. And then we're going to give it a quick taste test after everything's done. So I'm going to move the cameras and stuff over to where we're going to cook it at once this is thawed out. So I'll be back with you folks. All right. Good morning. Let's see. We're about to hook up these stuff. Chicken breast. Now you can put any kind of oil in it that you want. I got a tendency to try to use a little virgin olive oil because it's a little bit healthier than conventional oil. This is going to be a two-step process. First, we're going to saute these chicken breasts. Oh, it would definitely help if I turn the heat on. Just to give you an idea how big the chicken breast is. Yeah, buddy. Basically, I'm just going to cut this breast roughly right about in half. Okay, that's good enough. And as always, wash your meat. Even though I've already packaged this up, I'll still give it another rinse over. Be careful, you don't want to cut it all the way through. Enough room I can squeeze a third one in here. Okay, maybe. Okay. Do a little cleanup as I'm cooking. Okay. All right. Starting to sizzle a little bit. So what I also need, see what else I'm going to add to this delicious goodness. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is cook this just a little bit. Just a little bit. Because we're going to bake this afterwards. Oh, I'm telling you too much of a secret already. I'm going to let this marinate for a little bit. I'll be back. Okay, so we got it cooking, doing good. So what I'm going to do, as you can tell, a lot of this chicken breast is still not cooked, especially the inside part. Just spins the outside a little bit. I'm going to put this in the air fryer so we can get the rest of it cooked. That's to speed up the process. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the next one. Oh yeah, we're about to make this delicious. Air fryer. We're going to try for 10 minutes. And then I'll be back. Okay, folks. time to get on. So let's go ahead and open up this. Okay. Sliced ham. All right. And we're going to use some baby Swiss. So, what we're going to do now, I'm going to use this one for an example. Squeeze this cheese in half, squeeze this in half, rotate it, and we're going to slide it right up in his DM. That's where it's going. Right up in there. Oh yeah. Then we're going to take a couple of toothpicks, because we don't want this to slide out. This toothpick is just going to seal it in place while the cooking process continues. All right. Where is my knife? Okay, so I'm gonna get that one. Doesn't look like it can really hold much. About all I'll be able to get into that one. Yeah, let's try sticking this one in ass backwards. Up in there. Okay. Now, it is time to move to the next step. Chicken broth, and I'm going to use some cream of chicken. And this is condensed, so we all know what that means, right? We got to mix it up with some water. But in this case, I'm not going to mix the condensed up with water. I'm going to mix it with chicken broth. So I'm going to take each one of these, place it up in here. Oh yeah. Worry about being perfect, because what's going to happen is as this heat up in the oven, it's all going to mix up really well. Okay. In case you're trying to figure out what this is a little bit of garlic, a little bit of garlic powder. Where is that? And yes, I'm going to get this already preheated. Mm-mm. All right. All right, guys, we'll be right back. Hello. All right, so it's time to try this stuff for chicken breast. Let's take a peeky. Look at that. I'm going to grab the smallest one. Just because. Oh. Okay. Look at that. Now, you know what standard? Well, first, take out the toothpicks. First, we're going to do the standard sniff test. Oh. Smells delicious. No, that's not bad at all. that interesting taste of chicken breast with ham got my head into an uproar. And I cooked it in that cream of chicken. Oh my goodness. This is actually very tasty. It doesn't help that it's chicken breast, which is extremely healthy and protein. Remember, we all need protein. Wow. They always say, try it twice. Oh, yeah. That is nice. The type of honey I used was sliced honey ham with some of that Swiss cheese, but that really comes together. It's a little mind blowing because you're eating chicken breast, but in the back of your palate you taste that ham. So what you see and what your brain tastes, or what you taste, doesn't quite match, and you sit there and wonder what the heck is going on. Oh, man, this is nice. And since I didn't overcook it, that chicken breast is just as tender as it wants to be. Absolutely delicious. Well, until next time, folks. Look at that. They're absolutely delicious. Until next time, you guys take care of yourself. Stay out of trouble, because I'm not. Stay tuned for the following updates. I'll let you know with the new sweepstakes. Holidays has been kind of busy, so I haven't been able to keep up with it, but they will restart. I think the first person who won already got their prize. I'm working on the second prize to figure out what we're going to give for that one. But I'll keep you guys posted. Until next time, take care of yourself. I'm out of here.